Think of why you can't do it.
No. That is a real tip. Think of why you can't do it, and then you can figure out how.
Don't give him tips. Don't give him tips.
So we stop thinking. Maybe we might be able to figure it out.
Dang it, it's like double.
That's alright.
Okay, cross your hands. Okay, so.
That's a nice dance. Nice dance.
Do we have to
You have to keep it on. No. Put it back on your wrist, all the way on. There you go.
Will it work if we pray? Like.
No, that's not it. Let's still talk to each other.
No. She's already tried this, Victor.
Wait. Let's move out.
This is kind of awkward.
Hey, let's not get personal.
I'm cut my hand off, man.
Yeah.
You still out? I should try that.
I'll just stay in jail.
I think about it.
I think Tanner just suggested we cut off Victor's arm.
Sometimes I feel like they're so close.
All right, let's let these two guys put them on and show them now, or you can do it whenever you want to. You don't have to do it yet. Is anybody gonna get it?
Dude, they were close. Wait.
You didn't get it? What happened? Get back together, Julius. Cheater!
We did it.
Don't give in to temptation. Yeah. No.
Come on, Victor, you're an architect. You can do it. I love seeing the dancing going on. Oh, he's trying to choke Peter.
That was awesome.
Yeah, jokes, choke.
No, how would you do that? You're not going to get